ang kanilang maganap sa 4th birthday celebration ni Amari na anak ni Colin at Billy Crawford. Narito, panoorin natin.
Close your eyes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Tuwang-tuwa naman ang bata na si Amari. Pagmulat ng kanyang mata, nakita nito ang birthday cakes at kinantahan ito ng happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Amari. Happy birthday.
Excited si Amari at masaya habang binublow ang kanyang birthday cakes.
Blow. Oh, no, not too close. Blow. Harder. Harder. Oh, one more.
Narito, dumating na si Amari sa venue ng kanyang birthday party kasama ang kanyang mommy at daddy. Na-amaze si Amari sa kanyang nakita na napakagandang preparation o decoration ng venue ng party.
Hey, Mommy! Thank you for coming earlier.
Marami ding dumalo sa party na kamag-anak o kaibigan ni na Billy Crawford and Colin.
Alright, one more time. Put your hands together. Happy birthday. Come on, everybody sing.
Si Amari, isa din ito sa batang kinagigiliwan ng netizens. Smart at talented din. Winelcome naman ni Billy Crawford at Colin ang mga dumalo sa birthday celebration ng kanilang anak.
Hey everyone, welcome to Amari's 4th birthday party and thank you so much, Carlitos.
Yes, it was
An amazing
was-
preparation.
Pinasasalamatan din ni na Colin at Billy ang namamahala ng kanilang preparation, decoration at food.
to have Carlitos during Amari's birthday party because we always have Carlitos whenever we have mga family gatherings. They were so happy. The food is amazing as always.
Napakaganda at unique naman ang style ng preparation o decoration ng birthday party ni Amari. Tuwang-tuwa din ang bata na si Amari sa mga bulaklak ng kanyang birthday party. Hinawakan pa ito habang nagpa-picture.
Lights on, I'm ready to go. Right here, right now. The moment is mine. It's my time.